The JSE Combined Index was mostly flat last week. 123 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, February 16, 2024. 55 made gains, 60 lost value, and 8 stayed the same. 121 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $471 million. Trans-Jamaican Highway was last week's most traded stock. It took up 28% of market volume with 34 million shares trading. The stock lost 13 cents to open the new week at $3.16. Wigton traded the second highest. The stock lost 1 cent to open Monday at 93 cents. And QWI Investments rounded out last week's most traded with 13 million shares changing hands. The stock lost 2 cents to open Monday at 59 cents. Now let's see who had the biggest gains for the week. T-Tech was the market's biggest gainer. The stock was up 21% to open Monday at $2.49. Salada Foods was up 19% to start the new week at $3.70. And PBS 10.5% was the week's third biggest gainer. It was up 18% to open the new week at $1,284. On the losing side now, Sterling Investments USD was the week's biggest loser. The stock lost 15% to open Monday at 2 cents US. PBS 9.75% was also down 15%. Opening the new week at $101.66. And ISP Finance lost 14% to close the week at $26.96. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index gained 13 points last week. Massey Holdings was the most traded stock. The stock lost 9 cents to open Monday at $4.25 TT. Scotiabank TNT was the biggest gain of the week. The stock was up 7% to start the week at $71.48 TT. And on the losing side, Unilever Caribbean fell 7% to open Monday at $11 TT. Over in the US, the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 were mostly flat last week, while the Nasdaq was up by 1%. It was a rough week over at the pumps. Gas prices climbed $1.56, while diesel prices shot up by $4.50. In foreign exchange, it took an average $157.52 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's 1 cent more than the week before. Meanwhile, it took an average $116.98 Jamaican to purchase $1 Canadian. 1 British pound cost on average $197.86 Jamaican, and you could buy €1 for $171.24 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices rose 1% over the past 5 days, trading at $52,298 US on Monday, while Ethereum prices rose 5%, trading at $2,917 US on Monday.